Hello everyone. In this video, we take you to a virtual tour of the Bharat Darshan Park. Based on theme of unity in diversity, it showcases replicas of about 22 famous Indian historical monuments and temples all in one place. What makes this park unique is that all the replicas have been made by scrap and waste materials. And to provide attraction to the park, illumination factor is also considered. In evenings, different shade of light and soothing music enhance the beauty of these replicas. In front of each attraction, details of the monument is given along with the material used in its making. Park has about 1.5 km long track which can be covered either by walking or facility of battery operated car is also there. The ride is for half an hour and cost is ₹50 per person. At some points, provision has been made for refreshment and snack items. Located in Punjabi Bagh, Delhi, it was constructed by SDMC. Parking space is available outside the park, but the space is limited and the nearest metro is Punjabi Bagh West Metro Station. The park is open from Tuesday to Sunday from 10 am to 10 pm and is closed on Monday and national holidays. You can check out the exact address in the description of the video. Ticket cost for adult is INR 100 during the day and 115 evenings after 4 pm. For children below 12 years, ticket cost is INR 50 during the day and 75 rupees in the evening. Ticket is valid for 4 hours to roam inside. Showcased as Mini India, the entry gate of garden is Twang Gate of Arunachal Pradesh. As we proceed further, you will see diverse culture and heritage of India with the architectural brilliance of heritage monuments and famous temples. The Gateway of India, an arc monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai, is one of the topmost tourist attractions. It is located on the waterfront at an angle opposite the Taj Mahal Palace and Tower Hotel and overlooks the Arabian Sea. Banyan tree, also known as Bargat ka Ped, represents eternal life because of its ever-expanding branches. Banyan tree has many spiritual, ecological, historical, religious significance. Tourists flock to places like Kabirwad in Gujarat, the Botanical Garden in Odisha, and many other sites to see this divine beauty. Hawa Mahal, also known as the Palace of Winds, has history of over 200 years and is Jaipur's most iconic monument and landmark. It is 5-story pyramid-shaped monument from red and pink sandstone. 953 windows or jharokas are beautifully incorporated in the honeycomb design of this palace. Gol Gumbaz is one of the largest dome in India, built in the 17th century and is located in Vijayapura, Karnataka. It is the tomb of King Adil Shah. A particular attraction in this monument is the central chamber, where every sound is echoed 7 times. Qutub Minar is built by Delhi's first Muslim ruler, Qutbuddin Aibak, in 1193 and is located in Qutub Complex. Made with sandstone, the tower is 72.5 meters tall and is the highest stone tower of India. Nalanda is India's most ancient and one of the world's first residential universities engaged in transmitting knowledge for 800 years. Today, the ruins of Nalanda are a significant destination on the Buddha tourism circuit. Situated in Madurai, the Meenakshi temple is the finest examples of Dravidian architecture. Pillars in the temple are carved out of stone and appear to be in a straight line when viewed at any angle. A striking feature of the temple is the astonishing structure known as the Hall of Thousand Pillars. Badrinath Temple, dedicated to God Vishnu, is one of the most sacred pilgrimages globally and is part of both Char Dham and Chota Char Dham Yatra. The temple is nestled among the Himalayan peaks and is situated at an altitude of 10,826 feet. Dwarkadish Temple, dedicated to Lord Krishna, is believed to be 2500 years old and is Dwarka's most splendid temple. It is one of the temples of Char Dham Yatra of Hindu pilgrimage. The 5-storied main shrine is located in the mouth of Gomti River and is constructed of limestone and sand. Built in the 12th century, Rameshwaram Temple is considered one of the holiest places of India. It is believed that Lord Rama offered his gratitude to Lord Shiva at this place. The Jagannath Temple, dedicated to Lord Jagannath, is the tallest of all temples in Orissa. Mahabat Palace, also known as Mahabat Ka Maqbara, is known for its architectural beauty and is a blend of Gothic, Indo-Islamic and European architecture. Built by Emperor Ashoka, Sanchi is one of India's most well-preserved Buddhist sites. Sanchi Stupa is considered one of the most prominent amongst the other stupas located at a hilltop of Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh. Victoria Memorial is a popular magnificent monument dedicated to memory of Queen Victoria. It is one of the most famous monuments of West Bengal. Group of monuments at Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Hampi town, Vijayanagar district, Karnataka. Hampi continues to be an important religious center housing the various monuments belonging to the old city. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world and UNESCO World Heritage Site. The beautiful Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his deceased wife Mumtaz Mahal and is also known as a legend of eternal love. Mysore Palace was once a royal residence of the mighty Vodiyar rulers who ruled Mysore for 7 centuries. This palace is a harmonious blend of Hindu, Muslim, Rajput and Gothic styles. Charminar is the soul of Hyderabad and is historically and religiously significant. Flanked by 4 minarets on every corner, Charminar, a monument and a mosque, is considered as one of the top 10 monuments of the country. Konark Sun Temple is dedicated to sun god Surya. Designed in the 13th century, the temple represents a chariot of the sun god with 12 pairs of wheels drawn by 7 horses, evoking its movement through the heavens. The temple's uniqueness is that the images of sun gods catches sun rays in the mornings, noons and evenings. Ajanta and Ellora caves are the world's largest rock-cut Hindu temple cave complexes. Ajanta comprises of 30 caves depicting stories of previous lives of great Buddha, while Ellora comprises 34 monasteries and temples devoted to Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. A reclining Buddha represents the Buddha during his last illness, about to enter Nirvana. Khajuraho temples are known for their Nagara-style architecture and graceful sculptures of Naikas and deities. These temples represent various forms like meditation, spiritual teachings and relationships through the stimulating art. This park is the perfect place for all age groups to capture beautiful pictures and is a very nice day outing option for 2 to 3 hours. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it, and if yes, please click on the like button. If you are in Delhi or planning to visit, this park is a must-visit place and see how rich the heritage of our country India is, and we are really proud to be an Indian.